I don't think that I'm under in any obligation to respond to all those social media
Mr.
posts
Chair,
by bloggers,
now
social media influencers to tell them that
Mr.
they're
Chair,
wrong.
Siya muna.
sabi niya wala siyang obligation.
Finish your statement.
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, Honorable Marquileta, sir, I think I'm no under obligation to tell all the social media influencers, to bloggers, defend your name, tell them that you are not a traitor. Again, I did not mention that you are a traitor. It's not, those words did not come from me. Why would I go to the extent of defending you and you are running for Senate? I might as well be interpreted as running for, supporting somebody for public office.
Mr. Chair, clarifying something that is wrong is
Have
not
the floor,
political.
please.
Thank you, sir.
Commodore, tinatanong lang ni Honorable Marco Reg that merong lumabas